Alright, here's a 99, I think, Ford F-150. Straightened the bedside, had to put 2 doors on it. I had to do a little pulling on the cowl, a little straightening right there. That's one of the doors. We done got it cut in. I'll try to get a video of it, you know, when I actually get the side back together before we paint it. Straightening the doors on this side. That's filler. It's kind of bent there a little bit, so we're straightening that out. We got this Dodge. Having to put a hood on it. Work on the fender a little bit. And we didn't, I don't know who done that, but we're gonna weld a piece on the inside and, you know, fix that back. I guess vibration made it break, I'm not sure. I'm gonna skip to the back right quick. Alright, we got the jam cut in right there, and it dries just a little more. I'll be able to put the doors on it. Then we got this one. We're gonna paint the front clip, the hood, that fender. We'll probably blend this fender. It's just hard to panel paint anything anymore, but we got to straighten this bedside on it. Looks like somebody got behind at one point or another and just caught it on something. So the sun's a little bright, but we'll keep just getting a few things this week, and just kind of maybe do the shop life video. I tried to make a series out of those a year or two ago. Well, I just got slack, and then we got busy. Anyway, may try to pick that up again. And don't know if I've showed this truck up here or not, but we got to put a bed on it. It was one of the victims of Hurricane Helene. Let's see, let me get turned back around. Here's the bed we're putting on it. And there's the bed. There's the bed that's on the truck. The frame's not hurt, or if it is, it's very little. When we get the bed off, we'll smoke all that over. But so we got those, and this Camaro right here. We painted the door on it, and put a window glass in it. It got broke into, so that one will be going home today. And then we got this Kia over here. It's got to have a fender, a knee assembly, a wheel, and tire. I don't really know what happened. I just know that it folded the A-arm up on it and broke the axle. It broke the axle, bent the lower A-arm, bent the strut, tie rod end, sway bar link. The tire went back in the fender, pushed it against the door, and ruined the fender. So, but anyway, there's that. I'm gonna get a little bit further. We'll do another update and add to it. Whew. I got to shave. That's awful. Okay, here we are. This BMW X5. See where we straighten that rear door. How pretty it is now. Pick it up, super straight, looks really good. The front door, so that one turned out great. Here's the old Dodge. Got it straightened out. Here's it's finished. We waiting on
pictures of the bedside.
filler panel right,
or video,
step pad right there.
I thought it turned out great as well.
Other than that, it turned out good. I don't know if I showed this one, but this was a van we done an all over on. It looks really good, turned out nice. So that's going to about do it for this video on this week. The Jeep Cherokee, I messed around and let it get out of here without getting a final video on it. So we'll start over this coming week and, you know, do another one. And gonna show I'm carrying my motorhome for the Camaro. I'll try to do an update video on it. We're fixing to do some upgrades, and I think that's going to be pretty exciting what we got going on with it. So have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.